Now look at the second question. The second question is find n in the equation. Find n in the equation. Find n in the one I solved before was an expression. This one is an equation. There's a difference between an equation and an expression. They are not the same thing. It's just that some students, they mix it up. Okay, an equation has equality sign. An expression does not have equality sign. If I have 2x plus 1, this is an expression. This is an example of a mathematical expression. You can't call this an equation. Okay, but if I have 2x plus 1 equals to 0, it becomes an equation. The difference between this and this is an expression, this is an equation. The difference is just the equality sign. Okay, even if I remove this plus sign, I turn it to equals to, is an equation. Why is it an equation? Because of the equals to sign. Take note of that, please. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I have 36 times 1 over 6 all to the power of n equals to 6 times 216 n minus 1. Okay, now this is what I will do. I will raise this 36 in the base of 6, then I will also raise 216 in the base of 6. If you look at it closely, 6 is a common factor to all of them. So 36 will be 6 raised to power 2. 6 raised to power 2, that's 6 times 6 will give me this 36. Okay, times this 1 over 6 is 6 raised to power minus 1. Remember that law of indices I gave you, that when you have a negative sign at the power, it will give you the inverse of that number, the reciprocal of that number. Okay, then I will see maintain my bracket, and this is empty as 6 raised to power 1 times this is 6 raised to power 3. 6 in 3 places, that's 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6 again, I will get 216. So in place of 216, I will write 6 raised to power 3. Then I have this open bracket n minus 1. Make sure you put this power in bracket because the number here will multiply everything. If you fail to put bracket, you end up using 3 to multiply only n and not 1. Okay, so I have 6 raised to power 2 times 6 power. I can multiply. This one will give me minus n equals to 6 raised to power 1 times. Now, I will use this 3 to open the bracket here. So I have 6. This will give me 3n, while this will give me minus 3. All right. Now, I can apply the law of indices here. The same base, multiplication sign is separated them. That's law 1. I will pick 1, which is 6. Then I will add the powers 2 times equal to plus minus n in brackets equals to my 6, then I have 1, then plus 3n minus 3. Alright, so this will give me 6, 2, plus minus will give me minus n equals to 6. Now, I can collect my terms here, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, that's minus 2. So I have minus 2 plus 3n. Okay. Now from here, what will I do? You will notice that the base are the same. The base are the same. Okay. And that's the law 7 I gave you, that if the base are the same and equals to sign is what is separating them, these two can go for you to pick the powers. These two can go for you to pick the powers. Okay. Let me solve it here. Let me continue it from this place. Okay, these two will go. Why? When we are the same. That's number one condition. Number two condition, equality sign is what is separating them. So these two will go. I will put the powers, which is 2 minus n equals to minus 2 plus 3n. Okay. Now from here, I will collect like terms. Okay, I will collect like terms. So I'm going to have, I'll move this 2 to this side, then I'll bring this 3 to this side. Take note of sign. Very important, you take note of sign when collecting like terms. I have minus n, minus n. I've moved this 2. Okay, I'm bringing this. This was plus before. So once it comes, it becomes minus 3. And once it crosses the equality sign, the sign will automatically change. If it's positive, it will turn to negative. If it's negative, it will turn to positive. Equals to minus 2 minus 2. This one, invisible plus, once it cross, minus 2. So this 2 minus n minus 3n. This minus n is like 1n. Okay? So this is minus 4n equals to, this 2 will give me minus 4. Minus 2 minus 2, which is minus 4. To now get n, I will divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is minus 4 over minus 4. So this and this will go. I have n equals to this and this will go. This and this will go. I will have 1. So my final answer is 1. So is finding n in this equation. I've solved it. My final result, my final answer is n. But don't, least you forgot,